My wife noticed the difference before I even told her anything. It's not easy for a man to admit when he's struggling. I tried to hide it for years. My relationship suffered, and so did I. Before pH Factor, I honestly thought this part of my life was over. Pills only worked sometimes, and I hated feeling dependent on them. I'm in my 40s, running a company, leading a busy life. But privately, I wasn't performing like I used to in the gym or the bedroom. At first, I was skeptical. I tried everything: pills, shots, supplements. Nothing gave me real, lasting change. Then I found the clinic and the pH Factor protocol. After starting the protocol at the clinic, everything changed. My performance, my energy, even my confidence. It's back. The pH Factor protocol gave me more than results. It gave me hope. My partner noticed the difference almost immediately. The difference? It's doctor-developed, measurable, and private. I've gained size, stamina, and confidence. It's physician-guided and completely private. I didn't just get results. I got my life back. I feel like a new man. This isn't a quick fix. It's real results. This isn't available anywhere else, and it works. If you're on the fence, don't wait. This changes everything. I never leave reviews, and I'll stay anonymous here. But men need to know this works. The clinic is the only place offering this, and I'm glad I trusted them. This is the real deal.